Ausangate Mountain Mystery. Everyone fantasizes about going off the defeated tourist direction and exploring hidden gems in a well-traveled region of the world. When visiting Peru, you may be curious to know if such a location still remains. Can a secret new marvel be revealed in one of Latin America's most tourist hotspots? Rainbow Mountain is one of Peru's most wonderful and well-hidden treasures. It is located approximately 100 kilometers southeast of Cusco and has an altitude of 5,200 meters above sea level. The corporeal rainbow of vivid colors is an unexplainable wonderful film, and the fact that it is also one of South America's lesser-known marvels only tends to add its allure for perceiving expeditions. You will have to collaborate for it, and you will see this wonderful mystery wonder. You might think the photographs of Rainbow Mountain, Peru are photoshopped at first glance, and we can make sure visitor that the real photo is almost as vividly colored. The mineral deposits of evolutionary history have generated this magnificent consequence, which can be seen on a variety of peak positions and in a variety of colors mixtures. Rainbow Mountain is only one of a marvelous set of brilliantly colored highs found hidden within the mountains of Peru. There are 4 colorful minerals, in fact. Yellow, pink, white, turquoise, brown, and red are main colors are noticed on the mountain. Several combinations of specific mineral depositions are caused for the different colors. The mountain's remarkable mineralogy, created over time by weathering, environmental conditions, and sedimentary deposits, formed a marbling effect with blended tones of gold, lavender, red, and turquoise climbing into the sky. The Picasso Peak was observed to be the icing on an incredible cake that takes days to make. Undoubtedly, the best bits of a trip to Rainbow Mountain begin long until you arrive. Some of the incredible sights you will see before reaching Rainbow Mountain include remarkably rural Indian communities, exquisitely medicinal hot springs, infinite flocks of llamas and alpacas, and stunning scenery over glaciers, greeneries, valleys, and remarkable peaks. The glaciation of the Nazca Plate beneath the South American Plate resulted in the formation of mountains and the elevate of the Andes Mountains. Considerable volcanism resulted, as did the arrival of infrequent and diverse mineralogical composition to the Andes Mountains. Several layers of depositional rocks such as sandstone, halite, gravel, clay, and other minerals were condensed one on top of the other to form the layer upon layer. As years progressed, the motion and colliding of continental plates created new mountain ranges and colors. This is due to the fact that deposits alter color when exposed to various conditions such as snow, wind, and water. For example, the red coloration of sedimentary layers frequently indicates the existence of iron oxide rust as a trace mineral. Furthermore, the golden orange coloring may be due to the presence of iron sulfides as trace minerals. The Ausangate trek and a visit to Rainbow Mountain, like a hike to Machu Picchu, are best done during the northern summer from May to September. During the dry months, daytime accessibility is best and amazing views will be your great friends. Given the trek's relative anonymity, you will find it blissfully abundant even during Peru's peak tourist season, which runs from June to August.